Depending who you're talking to, there are 4 or 5 important questions that you can ask in order to bring restoration to a situation where harm has been caused. These come from restorative practices, the field of restorative practices. Maybe you've heard about restorative justice or other kinds of restorative practices. But there are a few key questions that you can use and that come in really handy, especially in situations where you are responding to harm that has been done already. So I'll just share those questions and we'll provide links to more information about them below. First of all, if you're talking to the person that has been harmed, here are 5 questions that you can ask. First of all, what did you think when you realized what had happened? Second, what impact has the incident had on you and on others? Third, what has been the hardest thing for you? And 4, what do you think needs to happen to make things right? These 4 questions for people who have been harmed can help them to process what happened and to begin to restore their own sense of self and maybe the relationship that was harmed as well. Now, for a person that has done the harm, there are 5 questions that you can ask. You start by just asking, what happened? Then you ask, what were you thinking of at the time? From there, you can ask, what have you thought about since? The 4th question is, who has been affected by what you have done and in what way? And the 5th question is, what do you think you need to do to make things right? These questions, both for the person who has been harmed and the person who has done the harm, give people an opportunity to process what has happened, to step back and to view the way that they have been feeling from another perspective, and to begin taking steps toward making it right or making it better if perhaps it cannot be fully made right. Bring these questions in, especially when you're dealing with harm that's already occurred, and you'll find that you can begin to give people the opportunity to be their full, authentic selves at work.